Okay, now we're going to talk about another installation option for plastic fridge lines like this one. If your fridge line is plastic, you have the flexibility to install your filter anywhere along the line using hardware that comes with your Hydroviv filter. This can be a great option for homes where the fridge line is snaked through the kitchen cabinets or if the line is accessible from the basement. Here's how to do it. First, we're going to turn off the water. After turning off the water, go to the fridge to try to pour yourself a glass to verify that the water is in fact off. This will also alleviate the pressure in the line, reducing drips through the project. For this part of the project, you'll need your Hydroviv filter, an adjustable wrench, a towel for any drips, and this pack of goodies that came with your Hydroviv filter. Inside here, you'll find a razor blade, 2 brass nuts, 2 plastic ferrules, and 2 brass inserts. Now we want to figure out where in the line we want to insert the filter. I'm going to move this over here for a second. In the basement or underneath the sink, you'll be looking for a 1/4-inch tube like this. What we're going to do is cut as square a cut right through it with the razor blade as possible. Once you make your cut, you'll have 2 ends that you'll be attaching to both sides of the filter. On both ends, we're going to be inserting the brass nut, the plastic ferrule, put the ferrule on with the tapered side towards the cut end, and the brass insert. Then repeat on the other side. Brass nut, plastic ferrule, and the brass insert. Now we're simply going to screw both of these sides on to each side of the filter. Push this side in as far as it'll go, and then just slide down the nut and turn it finger tight, and then give it another good turn with the wrench. Before connecting the second line, just be sure that the housing of the filter is on nice and tight. Take it, give it a good turn, and if the Hydroviv labels are off center, that's totally fine. Next, take the second line, insert it in, slide the nut down, twist it on finger tight. Then just give it a nice turn with the wrench. There you go. Everything's connected. Go turn the cold water back on. Once the water's running, check both connections to see if there are any small leaks. If you see something, just give it another turn with the wrench to tighten it up. That's it. Your Hydroviv filter is now connected.